Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifras, I'm a visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel ZD Toys 110 Scale War Machine Mark II. Thank you very much Laruanan for sponsoring this video. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng mga ZD Toys, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook and Shopee. Okay, so let's proceed. This is the box, very nice box. Magnet yung kanyang side, front of the box, Marvel Infinity Saga logo, Marvel logo, ZD Toys logo, 110 Scale Iron Man Collections, Marvel Studios Avengers Age of Ultron na logo. Sa side, ganun din. You have the sticker of Disney and Zongdong Toy. Ibig sabihin, ito ay original and authentic. Hindi siya fake, hindi siya KO, hindi siya bootleg. And then sa likod, you have the shot of the action figure, some poses, and accessories. Okay, out of the box, this is a very nice Iron or War Machine action figure. This is around 7 inches tall. Yan, kung gusto niyo ulit bumili, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan. And this is a very nice build. Wala naman siyang loose na mga joints. Ang color palette niya, dark gray, silver, at saka black. Tapos meron din siyang iba't iba pang mga accessories like additional na fire or repulsor effects. Meron siyang alt hands and a base, hexagonal base. Tapos meron din siyang logo na War Machine ED445 Avengers Age of Ultron War Machine Collections. Okay, tapos start tayo sa head. It's a very nice head. Wala siyang wala siyang LED. Very nice head plates, silver to. It's very shiny siya. Hindi siya parang siyang satin. Hindi siya super chrome, hindi siya super reflective. It's a satin finish. Dito naman matte na dark gray na finish. Wala siyang LED, so pag kinostomize natin to, we can paint that over ng white and red para magkaroon ng LED, parang LED paint effect na glow. Okay, here's the front, here's the back. Tapos yung kanyang body, medyo compared dun sa War Machine na Mark I, mas mas slim na version. Mas tapered yung design. You have the chest, meron kang shoulder armor, tapos meron ka ding laser gun or some sort of gun sa likod. Pero mas gusto ko yung mas gusto ko yung Gatling gun ni Mark I kaysa dito. Pero kung at least meron, nagde-develop sila ng mga bagong armors, 'di ba? Meron tayong variety, meron tayong pagpipilian. Okay, tapos sa shoulder armor naman, you have the silver section. Tapos meron ka ditong gauntlets, and you have the arms for repulsor blasts. Tapos ito accessory to, additional accessory. This is a very nice touch na ginawa ni ZD Toys. Para siyang, it's a smaller type of gun na lumalabas dito sa kanyang gauntlet. Tapos you have the ab section na silver. Tapos sa waist meron kang logo ni War Machine. Sa likod naman meron kang logo ng Air Force. ED445 sa shoulders, para siyang mga decal type. Then sa legs, you have the silver section, mga hexagon sa gilid ng kanyang legs. And sa feet naman, meron din siyang mga silver accents dito sa kanyang sa side ng kanyang feet. In terms of articulation, you can rotate the head, look up, look down, rotate 360. Pwede ba 360 to? Hindi pwede ata 360. Pwede 360. Tapos ito, wala siyang articulation, pero medyo soft, soft plastic rubber. Pwede mo okay, dito lang siya sa right pwedeng i-mount. Hindi siya pwede dito sa left. Okay. Tapos shoulder hands can also rotate 360. Pwede mo labas tong shoulder armor, twist yung arms, double jointed na elbow, ball joint yung kamay. You can also extend the torso, ab crunch, tapos stretch. You can also tilt. And wala naman siyang gap. Buti na lang in-extend nila tong part na to, kasi usually pag nag-extend tong part, yung torso, merong malaking gap dito. Okay, medyo tatanggalan tong part na to. Okay. Tapos you can pull down yung kanyang legs. Ito ba natatanggal ba? Ayun, okay. Nice. You can push the legs outward, okay, downward, tapos Yan, pwede nyo iangat yung legs nya, tapos double jointed knee, and then yung paa nya nasa ball joint, wala siyang toe articulation. Alright, so in terms of yung overall build, this is a very nice addition sa inyong ZD Toys Iron Man na collection. O kunwari meron kayong War Machine, kunwari War Machine builder naman kayo, or you are a fan of War Machine, sobrang sulit din ito sa sa inyong ZD Toys War Machine collection. So you have War Machine Mark 1, maganda to itabi sa Mark 1 nyo. Okay, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Again, if you want to buy this, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook and Shopee. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.